See, civil services examination keeps on changing, and especially this is the principle of anthropology. Anthropology principle basically is evolution, and every examination keeps on evolving. It's not like, examination is getting tough or something like that. It's evolution, natural progression of, how an examination has to be conducted. That's what is happening in prelims, and that's what is happening in mains also. In the anthropology paper, I have been seeing some, changes which they have gone. Usually, they used to be focused more on biological anthropology, more focused on, how the evolution things and other things have changed. In biological anthropology also, they used to be focused on, basically characters. This is what they used to think about when they used to ask questions. They used to directly ask questions about the basic characters only. Now they have, gone a little ahead, and not only characters, they are also looking for, meaning of those characters. This is one thing which is different. The meaning of why something has changed. Okay, so an analysis. The second part, so this is biological. It was predominating before, but now they have changed it from characters to this. But now, one more thing that I feel is that in thinkers, so in socio-cultural anthropology, okay, socio-cultural anthropology, those thinkers, uh, you know, initial thinkers. So they used to be asking like Taylor, Morgan Fraser. Now they are going for people like Lewis Strauss, and the personality thinkers and the later thinkers, later evolution of the subject they are thinking. So we should also get adapted. But more so, what I feel in this is paper one, okay, paper one. So more so, what I feel is that, see, this biological anthropology, they have, gone to an extent of analyzing the features. Socio-cultural anthropology also, they are asking you to analyze using what the thinkers are saying. But more so, what I feel is that this part, which is genetics part, this usually usually could have been skipped. That's how it was. But now this genetics parts, you cannot skip. You cannot. I don't want you to skip. You pay equal. So this is okay. This is one fourth. This is one fourth. Okay. So earlier there used to be, okay. So application. In this application is what comes this last chapter, forensic anthropology, what is called as this nutritional, sports nutrition, and many other things. It's a very, what to say, easier version of application of whatever you have learned in biological and sociological anthropology in everyday life. So that's one thing. Then there is the adaptation. Okay, this chapter will be there. Racism chapter will be there. So it used to be like, you could go for biological anthropology, you could go for sociological anthropology, and you could actually go for the questions in application of anthropology, and you could complete paper one. So paper one would be completed. This was the norm. Okay. In that also, biological anthropology, as I said, they used to go for characters. In that sociological anthropology, they used to go for Taylor, Morgan, evolution of religion, what are the types of religion, something like that, basic. But now they are going for the other end of the spectrum. Okay, characters means they are asking what is the significance. You cannot write, Homo erectus has this 700, 800 cc to 1100 cc just like that. What is the meaning of that? Now, Y and Homo erectus has 800 to 1100 cc as a brain capacity. What were the significant changes because of that? So you need to go towards that. You cannot merely write that, head is long, something like that. Those are all characters. So uh, now, as I said, see, now what has happened, change has happened is that, so it used to be one third, one third, one third. Now this application is one fourth, biological is one fourth, socio-cultural is one fourth. Genetics now go for this concept. Even in preliminary examination, they keep on talking about this. I should not use a harsher word of skipping ancient and medieval. What kind of a preparation is somebody doing without ancient and medieval? I do not know. With the ancient and medieval only, we can clear preliminary examination. Uh, Similarly, in optional also, earlier to maybe 2005, 2010, something like that, or 2011 or 12, you could have skipped chapters and you could have gone easily for clearing this examination and stuff like that. But now, pay some close attention towards all these factors. Pay close attention towards things which are topics. I am going to teach you every topic, and I am teaching you every topic. I'm taking, an effort uh, to go for each topic, even if it's a tough topic to explain and, make you understand why we are going is that your job is not to overlook any topic. Uh, the point is that when you come to the examination, how to write that we will talk. Okay, but for now, you have to read. And one more thing is that, see, that is the point. Earlier, there used to be so many notes for clearing this examination. Now I feel it's Ember and Ember. Okay, Ember and Ember. So for this chapter on adaptation, okay, this chapter on adaptation. So Ember and Ember and Peanut. The chapter on adaptation, I said Peanut, right? Chapter on adaptation, please check fourth chapter in Ember and Ember. Allen's rule, Bergman's rule, Kroger's rule, all are in that chapter. Okay, very nicely given in that chapter. So genetics, it starts with chapter 3 in Ember and Ember. So I'm going to go there today. We'll talk about it. So please have this in mind while you're preparing. So the genetics part becomes important. Don't skip it.